The latest COVID-19 trends over the last 10 days are worrying, not only at the all India level, but 10 out of the 20 bigger states in India are showing signs of a second surge. Data shows in a simple form the clear upward trend in daily new cases, the rising positivity rate, which is particularly worrying in the context of increasing number of rapid antigen tests being conducted. Antigen tests have a high false negativity. The worrying resurgence of the increase in R, the reproduction rate, which measures how infectious the virus is still. There were some hopeful signs a fortnight ago with the R gradually coming down and the positivity rate falling too. Unfortunately, those encouraging signs did not last long and there was likelihood of early stages of a second wave. Meanwhile, experts around the world have been predicting a second wave of coronavirus infection. Experts have said that acting fast is going to be pivotal to check the second wave of COVID-19, and many countries can avoid it if they decided to move deftly based on experiences learned during the ongoing pandemic situation and lockdown scenarios. Several countries in Asia are already experiencing the second wave of COVID. Australia is the latest country that is battling the second wave. Medical experts have predicted that there would be a spike in COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya by September and October. Meghalaya Health Minister Alexander Lalu Hek was quoted as saying by a news channel. Meghalaya Health Minister, while talking to reporters, said the Meghalaya government was prepared to tackle any kind of eventuality to combat COVID-19. Hek reportedly said that the state government would leave no stone unturned in the fight against COVID pandemic. A total of 19 villages in Meghalaya have been declared as the epicenters of African swine fever after a large number of pigs died of it in the state. The Meghalaya government has imposed restrictions on the movement of people and pigs from these villages spread across East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, East Jaintia Hills and West Jaintia Hills districts. A government notification citing the seriousness of African swine fever said there shall be restriction on movement of people to the infected zones. Meanwhile, restrictions have also been imposed on the transportation of items related to piggeries like veterinary medicine, feed, equipment and breeding tools from the infected zones. The notification further stated that all equipment supplies associated with piggery should not be moved out of the pig shed or pig farms. African swine fever so far has claimed the lives of 17,000 pigs in Assam and in Arunachal Pradesh since February this year. In the wake of increasing COVID-19 cases in the state, especially in the Agartala Municipal Council areas, Chief Minister Biplab Deb have asked everyone to remain extra careful. He has also requested the various political parties to suspend their activities for the next 2 months. In a video message, Deb informed that 9 Agartala Municipal Council wards have over 21% COVID-19 positive rate, whereas the COVID-19 positive rate in the state is 3.86%, he added. The Agartala Municipal Council is now at the worst position regarding COVID-19 infection in the entire state, the Chief Minister added. The Sikkim police has rescued 2 minor girls of the state who were abducted by human traffickers from Haryana. A team of police led by Sub-Inspector Tilak Chetri rescued 2 minor girls from Ambala in Haryana who were kidnapped from Gangtok on August 14th. The team also nabbed the traffickers with the help of Ambala police. A missing complaint was earlier made at the Sadar police station on August 15th. A team was immediately dispatched from Gangtok to rescue the minor girls. Without crowded fans and grand launching ceremony, the 2020 Tour de France was kicked off on a rainy day in southern France city, Nice, which is famous for its warm sunshine and beautiful beach. It was a rainy Saturday which witnessed several crashes inside the final 3 kilometers of the 156-kilometer Stage 1. Alexander Kristoff of the United Arab Emirates won the yellow jersey. The 107th edition of the World Elite Cycling event Tour de France has been postponed by 2 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic. With positive cases rising all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of northeastern states are: Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the latest news that matters and stories that inspire.